Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove table border in WPS Office. So for example, let's create a simple table. So I go to Insert and then I need to click on Table. Now I need to select numbers of columns and numbers of rows I want to create. So I want to create 3 columns and 2 rows. So I click here to do it. Now if we want to delete the border from this column, we need to select it. Now we need to click right mouse button on it. We need to go to Table Properties and we need to open Borders and Shading. Now you can uncheck the borders which you want to remove. So for example, I'm going to remove this border, I'm going to remove this border, and I'm going to remove this border and maybe this one border. I would like to have only lines inside the table, so I have only these 2 borders checked. And then I click OK button to apply changes and I click OK to save it. And how you see, it has been successfully applied to our border. So now I can type here a data, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, and it really works. Remember that this dot border will not be visible on the print preview. If you will click on print preview, you can check that it really works. So if I helped you to remove borders from your table, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve a problem.